Okay, here's our newest arrival. It is a 99 Ford F250 Super Duty, 5.4 Triton, 4x4 automatic. Stock number is 7870. It's got 177K on it, runs good. We had to breastfeed it. It's got a bad fuel pump and the tank is hit. Body's in fair shape. It's got decent nose parts, billet grill. Headlights are good, markers are good, front bumper's good. It's got four holes on each side of the bumper for some reason. It's got aftermarket wheels, as you see. Left side door's no good. A little rotted underneath. Power dual mirrors. Dual arm. Not bad. Handle's good. The bed we put in is a work truck. It's got some plastic, some Bondo on this side, damaged underneath. It does have rotted rails. But it's in fair shape, maybe possibly good for a work truck. Rear bumper's no good. Tailgate's not bad, but it's got some damage on it. This side of it has also got some damage. 8-lug single wheel. Leaf springs in the back are a 4 leaf plus the helper. Front's a 2, 3-inch wide. Right side door isn't bad. It's good for a work truck. It's got some dings in it and about 6 inches of rot underneath. Not bad though. We'll take a look at it.
Have you heard? Research suggests CBD may reduce pain, decrease anxiety, help with arthritis, diabetes, cancer, migraines, fibromyalgia, and much more. You can now find a full line of CBD products, including Miracle CBD Chiro Cream at ECP.
As you can hear, the radio's playing. Back glass is a slider. It's missing a latch, and it's aftermarket tinted. Take a look at the inside of the truck on this side.
Off any purchase, minimum of $50. Veterans discounts also
available. Radio is playing, no problem.
493-9200. That's 631-493-9200.
AM F250SD
East Coast Psychedelic CBD also carries
TV controls with air conditioning,
incense, candles, Grateful Dead merchandise, and much more. Like them on
here's your
Facebook or stop by
cluster.
ECP CBD at
Steering column is tilt, cruise delay. And it's got the handles broken there. Just the overdrive setup. Manual mirror.
Sizzling hot summer sale. Complete bedroom sets, dresser,
Cloth.
chest, nightstand, and a queen size pillow top.
Plain Jane. Cloth on the other side with a mirror.
Sofa and love seats for
Pretty much that's it.
Dinettes from
It's got 40-20-40 seats. They're manual. Just the driver's side's got a little hole in it. Right there.
Beds $199.
Manuals.
Beds $299. Atlantis has been serving the public as an Ashley furniture dealer for over 43
Basically,
years.
that's it.
Everything in stock at sizzling hot summer prices.
Truck.
All Ashley furniture at super low prices. Come in and take a
Truck
look and you
is
won't believe how much
manufactured
they
date
have
12
and
of
how much you can
98,
save. Atlantis
which does make a difference on some of the parts on the vehicle. It has got a 5.4 Triton in it, which ran pretty good, as you can see. 5.4 Triton. Basically everything is here underneath, and that's our newest. If you need any parts of this gem, you can give us a call at 631-286-5500. Ask for Mo, Larry, or Curly. Like I always tell you, Shemp's only here on Tuesdays and Fridays. And that's it. That's our newest edition. We'll be putting 2 others in today, hopefully, and get them done. And that's it. Oh, you could also get us on the internet at allamericanautorecords.com. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay cool. You should be in a pool. The heck of working on cars. See you later.